Alright guys, slight risk, 2% tornado chance. Probably won't see a tornado. It is going to be just a big rain and occasional hail monster. I'm heading south on 231 right now to Lagodi. Say that right this time, Lagodi. Little hail core there. Set up, probably get some lightning. See the core right ahead of me. It's pretty intense. Stop raining for just a minute, it might. A little bass or something right here, it might be trying. It's warm, give it that. Stop raining, I'd be happy. Little bass going on here, it's not crazy organized or anything. I don't want to pan up because I'm going to get water on the lens. Well, very, very pseudo-elevated. Might be a bit of a lowering back there, but it's not too crazy. Beautiful colors. A little bit of differential motion right here. Likely wedge coming down in the middle. Beautiful, beautiful outlow dominant Arcus cloud. All the inflow is just gone. Cloud way over there. Ground scraping. Beautiful shelf cloud on the horizon. I'm gonna get time lapse and eat my sandwich. Holy moly. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Oh my God. Indiana, down near Vincennes and Bicknell, that kind of area. Beautiful, beautiful shelf cloud. What the frick? Oh. Just outside of Busseron. Moly. Wow. I gotta get ready to run. I don't have much time. The precip is right behind this Arcus cloud, but an amazing visualization of the outflow winds interacting with the warmer moisture air out in front. You get this shelf cloud, as you can see, the warmer air rising up over the cooler air being provided by the rain behind it.
I'm gonna go because it's about to pour.